So you're probably here because you want to install a Harley-Davidson audio system powered by Rockford Fosgate front and rear speaker kit on your 2023.5 and newer Harley-Davidson Touring models with the new fairing redesign. You've definitely come to the right place. So whether you just want to install the front fairing speakers and amp, or if you want to go all the way with rear saddlebag speakers, we've got you covered. Now, we don't always recommend Harley branded items over aftermarket, but after installation and testing, I can now highly recommend this audio system. It is built very well. It's super loud, super clear, and it really hits hard. This system was very well thought out in its design, fitment, and functionality, integrating perfectly with the all-new digital dash infotainment control unit, the IFCU. And let me tell you, the Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate system absolutely rocks. You will not be disappointed if you choose to get this system. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you. That's right, you, for checking back in. Now, if you're new to the channel, understand that 95% of the content we put out is completely free to the biker community. With that said, we do sell a few of our premium videos for obvious reasons, and this is one of them. But stick around because I think I have some really useful information for you. And at any time you want to get this video, you can simply head over to lawabidingbiker.com/Harley Rockford, all one word, and I'll link to it in the description below. So in this tutorial video, we'll show you how to install an amplifier, front speakers, and lid speakers on your Harley-Davidson. We'll show you everything you need to know on how to completely install the system yourself and get everything properly hooked up so you can ride down the road and rock out. And if you're not installing all the mentioned components, then don't worry, this video will still work for you. You could always start small and add more components later to build out the system. Oh, and real quick, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Every time those are hit, another biker joins the revolution, and we'd love to have you be part of it. So this video will work for 2023.5 and newer Harley-Davidson Touring models with the new fairing redesign, and we show you how to install the system on both the Batwing fairings and Sharknose fairing. We've got you covered for both. In this video, we installed a stage 2 audio kit, but it will certainly work if you're installing a stage 1 kit, as the only difference is speaker design and quality. Oh, and good luck trying to find and piece together any decent quality YouTube videos, as they'll leave you just as confused. And that's exactly why we make these videos. They are made by bikers for bikers, which is why we can break it down in a completely understandable way. So save yourself a ton of money, like $800 to $1,000 on the low end, by not having to take your bike to a dealership or shop for this project. Trust me, you can do it right on the kickstand in your own shop or garage with basic tools. And you can watch our video right as you're doing your own install. Now, this video is in 4K and we get the best of angles for you. It's like you're right there installing with us. And although there is no soldering and this Harley audio kit is plug and play, the wiring is still very confusing to many out there. And so because of that, we get overly detailed in our explanation of where the exact plug and play wires go, along with an explanation of why. With this tutorial video, you'll spend a quarter of the time you would trying to install the system using the less than worthy and confusing paper instructions. And upon purchase, you'll get immediate access. Our premium video stream just like a YouTube video. You can watch as many times as you want from any device with a good internet connection. We recommend you get this video prior to installation and watch it in its entirety. That way, you'll know you have all the proper parts and understand the overall installation process. And I guarantee we show you everything from start to finish and don't skip any steps. That means we show you how to switch out your saddlebag lids with speaker-ready lids. We'll show you how to run and route all the necessary wiring harnesses, along with drilling your saddlebags for proper wire installation. And we'll show you how to tune the system using your infotainment control unit. Now, we tested the system with a decibel meter and it was hitting at or above the JM Rocker XX Extreme kit, the Sounds Baggers, and the non-Harley system from Rockford Fosgate, 3 known competitors. Also, we've released many Harley audio system install videos over the years for pre-2024 models, and those videos include the Harley-Davidson Boom Audio Stage 2 front kit, Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate 4 speaker 2 amps and subwoofer install, J&M Rocker XX Extreme front kit, the Rockford Fosgate powered by Harley-Davidson front audio kit, which is the non-Harley branded system, Sounds Baggers front kit, Hogtunes front kit, Boss audio fairing and saddlebag kit, and we're always adding to that list. And you can get any of our premium tutorial videos at any time by heading over to lawabidingbiker.com/buy videos, and I will link in the description below. So what are you waiting for, Bikeaholics? Get the video over there. Just head over to lawabidingbiker.com/Rockford Audio. Again, link in the description below. Oh, and at the end of this video, I'll let you hear how the system sounds and we'll test it with the decibel meter. All right, here's a sneak peek.
Stop me now.